Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Now I do understand that I haven't uploaded in an extremely long time. But forget about it. Today I'm gonna actually test these washer fluid tablets. Now I couldn't find any from like Europe or the United States. Basically any that doesn't have Chinese written all over it. So I bought this from a Chinese website. I think it is a Chinese website, maybe. It's called Temu or whatever. And I want to test them. Now, the reason why I'm testing them is because, well, first to see how good they are at cleaning, and at the same time, it's winter time, and me living in Sweden, it gets extremely cold here. So I have uh, I have bought this. You know, it goes down to 18 minus Celsius. I don't know how much that is in Fahrenheit. I'll probably put it in the video. Yeah, I bought that to be able to, or so I can use it. But that left me wonder, how far can this go until it freezes? And that's what I was gonna try today. Now I'm already shows what I'm gonna do. The green one is gonna be the tablet. The pink one is gonna be a mix between this and the tablet. So basically I'm gonna put half of that in here, and then the other half is gonna be the tablet. And then this is gonna be filled with this. Alright guys, as you can see I'm back, and I've filled the orange one with this much washer fluid because I needed a little bit there and I couldn't top it off. So we would probably make that as our line. So now when I'm done with the washer fluid, the way to use this is, they say that this holds up to 4 liters of water, which is, this is 3.5 liter. So I don't think that's a big deal. So what you should do is take this, and wait, let me open it. So this is how the tablet looks like, and basically what you should do is just take it, drop it in there, and that's it. It should like by itself mixing with the water. Okay, let me just shake it. I want it fully mixed before I do anything. There you got it guys, the trio. Remember, the green is the tablet, the pink one is the mix, and the orange one is the real one, the real washer fluid. So let me just put them in the freezer, take the freezer down to 17 degrees and see the magic. There you go guys. Remember, tablet, mix, the real. I'm gonna be checking up on them every 30 minutes. So I'll be back. And the degrees is 17. Alright guys, welcome back to the video. So, good and bad news. Now the bad news, I actually fell asleep for 6 hours. So when I said that I'm gonna check on this for every 30 minutes, yeah, I wasn't able to do it. But here's the thing though, when you actually use this, you don't go to your car and check it every 30 minutes. The reason why I said every 30 minutes is to see how much this actually, when it freezes, and how long it takes it for freeze, and which one freezes first. But sadly I fell asleep, so I couldn't do it. I work nights, so I need to sleep during the day, sorry guys. But yeah, so here's the result. Let's remove first the washer fluid. This is like pure washer fluid, minus 18 degrees Celsius. I think, yeah, I don't know how much that's in Fahrenheit. I'll probably put it on the screen. This is the mix, and it's frozen. As you can see this is fully liquidized. This is kind of frozen. There is some liquid. This is not because I left it like not enough in the freezer. I left it for 6 hours. Water usually freezes from 2 to 4 hours on, I think it was 0 degrees Celsius. So under 0 degrees it should freeze as much faster. So this is the mix. Yeah, it's frozen, and this is the water and this one. So you can see it's completely frozen. So yeah.
Alright guys, this concludes the video. As you can see, the tablets couldn't handle the freezing cold weather because sometimes the weather here in Sweden goes down to like 10, -10 or -12 and more down too. So these tablets, I would only recommend to use them in the summer because the washer fluid has its own smell. We all smelled washer fluid once, but these tablets, they do have the same smell but not as strong. So I would recommend using them only in the summer because they save a lot of money. You can literally use purely water in the washer fluid tank in your car to wash your windshield, but you can also mix this with the water and use that at the same time. It will save you a lot of money. I bought like 60 tablets for like $5, uh, and each tablet takes 4 liters. So this is gonna save me a lot of money in the future every summer when I'm using this because I have a problem where I literally can't stop using washer fluid. I literally just keep on using it because it makes me feel satisfied to use it in the car when I'm driving and cleaning the windshield. So yeah, only use them in the summer. Thank you guys for watching and have a good one.